All right, aloha friends. On this episode of Jason's Specialties, we're going to be making a dandy blend with lots of good minerals for my postpartum wife and myself to feed our baby, to nourish our body. This organic instant dandy blend is amazing. It's got barley extract, rye, chicory, roasted dandy. Tastes like a coffee, but it's good for your liver, kidneys. So we do a spoonful of this. I already have it in the blender here, so I'm already one step ahead. We got the dandy mix. Next, we're gonna add minerals. So we got the catalyzed mineral complex here. We're super deficient in trace minerals and trace elements in our food supply, so adding minerals to elixirs is a great way to get those minerals back in the body, which will help to build the body, the baby, the vitality, the electricity. Minerals are electrical conductors of energy. They build the structure of the body as well. So we've got minerals. This is from Quicksilver Scientific. And it's also got shilajit in there. And then I'm also going to add this Patagonia ormus. Ormus is monoatomic minerals and trace elements with a magical conductive property for consciousness. Okay, so we got those two. Next, we're going to add some of this. I really like this Sarva cacao blend, but it doesn't have this blend right now. This is a mix of cacao powder and goat mineral whey. So we'll add a spoonful of that. Gives it a nice chocolatey cream to it. For my wife, we have this shatavari powder. Shatavari is an Ayurvedic herb. It helps with nourishing the hormones and the glands, especially in women. So after a woman is pregnant, she needs hormonal support. So we're going to support her with a little bit of this shatavari powder. Do about, it's kind of chunky, but it's about half a tablespoon. All right. Next, we're going to add our favorite, fresh cardamom powder for flavor and aromatics. Cardamom with coffees and chocolates and things is super good. All right, we're gonna add a little pinch of cinnamon. And we're gonna add a little bit of tahini, high in calcium and phosphorus and other minerals to support the mother, because the mother is giving a lot of her minerals and nutrition sources to the baby, to the newborn. All right. Usually we'll add some warm coconut milk or almond milk. Today we're out of it. We're just going to do water. And because this is all powders, it's going to froth up nice and good and get super yummy. And it's easy to make. Just get these instant powders, hot water. And last but not least, I'm going to take some butter because you want to get some fats in there. Ooh, baby just farted. All right, we're going to blend it up. Right. Okie dokie. We got a nice creamy frothy elixir here. And we're gonna pour in this mug for my wife and our baby, and then we're gonna give some for Papa as well. But Mama gets more. And she's feeding too. Okay, here we go. Salud.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We're officially out of butter. Time to go to the store.
Yeah.